Alright, we're going to do ISO block 2. So as I usually do, I'm going to right click and create a new opponent. I'm going to call it ISO block 2 or ISO basic 2. ISO basic 2. And with ISO basic 2, we can get started by making a sketch on the front plane. If you look at ISO basic 2 up there, it is going to be 6 by 9. And if I'm zooming out here, I go to the little house because I like the little house. And I am going to close that. I'm going to finish sketch and extrude this to be 6, please. 6. Great. All right, so I got that. And then I'm going to make a sketch on the front face. And I'm going to grab the rectangle tool on this front face. And I'm going to draw a rectangle that is 4 by 3. Now, keep in mind when I'm switching between those two things, I'm hitting the tab key. So it's 4 by 3. It is attached to the bottom line, and one more dimension required. It is 3 from the side of the object. So there we go. I'll hit finish sketch, and if I count the boxes up above, it is an extrusion of 2 inches. All set. If you want to change the appearance, feel free, but I am going to hit save. I'm going to put it in my ISO Basics folder, and I am going to name it ISO Basic 2. There we go. Alrighty.